Tired of soggy, flavorless pizzas from your home oven? Here are the 5 best outdoor wood-fired pizza ovens I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Ninja Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven. First up is the Ninja Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven, priced at $199.95. What caught my eye was its 5-in-1 functionality, allowing you to bake, broil, warm, and proof, all while cooking restaurant-quality 12-inch pizzas in just 3 minutes. If you want quick, delicious outdoor pizzas, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The oven reaches a scorching 700 degrees F, giving you that perfectly charred crust without the hassle of traditional wood-fired ovens. It features 5 settings to cater to your pizza cravings, whether you prefer Neapolitan or New York style. Plus, with a chef's view window, you can keep an eye on your delicious creations without opening the oven and losing heat. In the past month, over 500 units have been bought, indicating that folks are trusting this for their pizza nights. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit smaller than expected for larger gatherings. Here's the thing though, it fits a 12-inch pizza perfectly, which is great for small get-togethers. But if you're aiming to feed a crowd, you might want to consider something bigger. This is perfect for you if you love quick outdoor cooking or want to impress friends with your pizza-making skills. Skip this one if you regularly host large parties where multiple pizzas are a must. For $199.95, it's a solid investment for pizza lovers. Now, if the Ninja's size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its multi-fuel capability. Product number 2, Bighorn 3-in-1 Multi-Fuel Pizza Oven. Next is the Bighorn 3-in-1 Multi-Fuel Outdoor Pizza Oven, retailing at $128.61. The versatility of being able to use wood, gas, or electric really caught my attention. If you want an authentic wood-fired flavor without the fuss, this is a great option. The compact design makes it easy to transport, weighing only 25 pounds, making it ideal for camping trips or tailgating. Plus, it has folding legs for easy storage. With over 300 sold in the last month, people are clearly excited about this convenience. However, some users mentioned that the assembly was a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it's a breeze to use. If you're not the most handy person, you may need a buddy to help you out at first, but it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you enjoy flexibility in cooking methods or love outdoor adventures. Skip this one if you want a set-it-and-forget-it experience. For $128.61, it offers excellent value for the features. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking a true wood-fired experience. Product number 3, VERSAWOOD Kiln-Dried Oak Wood. Up next is the VERSAWOOD Kiln-Dried Oak Wood, priced at $35.99. While this isn't an oven, it's essential for achieving that classic wood-fired flavor that everyone loves. If you want to elevate your outdoor cooking, this is a must-have. These 6-inch logs are easy to handle and provide an exceptional burn time, meaning you won't be constantly refueling your oven. Sourced from sustainably managed forests, you can feel good about your purchase while enjoying delicious, smoky flavors. With over 200 bought recently, it's clear that outdoor chefs are picking this up to enhance their cooking experience. Some customers pointed out that the logs can be a bit bulky for small setups. Here's the thing though, the quality of the burn more than makes up for it. If you're cooking in a larger oven, these logs are perfect for maintaining steady heat. This is perfect for you if you want the best wood for flavor or are serious about your outdoor cooking. Skip this if you're using a gas oven, it won't be as beneficial. For $35.99, it's a small price to pay for that authentic taste. Now, if you're keen on using a portable oven as well, this next product combines flexibility with convenience. Product number 4, Bighorn Dual Fuel Pizza Oven. Next up is another from Bighorn, their dual fuel pizza oven, retailing at $203.29. The flexibility to switch between wood and gas fuel is what really caught my eye. If you want authentic pizza with the convenience of gas, this is one to consider. This oven heats up to 350 degrees C in just 20 minutes and includes a gas burner, making pizza nights a breeze. You won't just be limited to pizza either. This oven can handle everything from roasted meats to baked goods, making it a versatile addition to your outdoor cooking arsenal. With a solid build quality and a 12-inch pizza stone included, it's a well-rounded package that has sold over 100 times recently. Some users mentioned that the assembly process could be a bit complex. Here's the thing though, once you get through it, this oven is very straightforward to operate and will deliver delicious results every time. This is perfect for you if you love flexibility in your cooking options and want to impress your guests with various dishes. Skip this if you're looking for a more traditional, wood-only experience. For $203.29, you're getting a high-quality product that maximizes your outdoor cooking potential. Finally, we come to one last option that's budget-friendly and portable for those casual pizza nights. Product number 5. Aidpiza Portable Wood-Fired Pizza Oven. Finally, we have the Aidpiza Portable Wood-Fired Pizza Oven priced at $109.99. Its portability and straightforward design caught my attention immediately. If you're a newbie or just want a simple way to enjoy wood-fired pizzas, this is worth your time. This oven runs on hardwood pellets, providing a consistent burn that enhances flavor without the hassle of traditional wood. It heats up to 662, which is perfect for cooking pizzas and even other dishes like steak. The built-in thermometer makes it easy to manage your cooking temperature, which is a huge plus for beginners. Recently, over 50 units have sold, showing that people are excited about its ease of use. However, some customers have noted that it might not be as durable as pricier options. Here's the thing for casual users or those just starting out, this is a great entry point that won't break the bank. This is perfect for you if you're new to outdoor cooking or want something lightweight for casual use. Skip this if you're a seasoned chef looking for more advanced features. At $109.99, it offers great value for the quality. Now, let's wrap things up and compare these options to find the best fit for your pizza making needs. So to quickly recap, we've covered the Ninja Artisan for its speed, the Bighorn 3-in-1 for versatility, the VERSAWOOD Logs for flavor, the Bighorn Dual Fuel for flexibility, and finally the Aidpiza for portability. Trophy, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Ninja Artisan because it offers quick results and versatility in outdoor cooking. The one to avoid. That would be the Aidpiza for serious chefs looking for durability, since it may not hold up as well over time. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.